that rain? Okay, over there it looks like nothing. Ooh, that's a cool picture. I'm glad I got it on video. Hey, that's cool. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna get my hand out of the way because it looks cool. And look at there. Look, it could possibly be rain. It could possibly be rain. It could possibly be rain. I know. Oh, it kind of stopped, but it was like sprinkling, like 1, 2, 2, 3. You know those dots that I showed. Come on, more rain. More rain. Oh. Oh, I wish there was more. It hasn't rained here in forever. And so hot.
How many months? How many days?
Forever? Could you call this a drought? I think officially now you can call it a drought. There's a raindrop, it just fell upon my cheek. True story. Now on my arm. True story. That may be it for now. Hopefully it rains a little bit more. Because it did spit sprinkle a little bit. Look at this grass. Dead. 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 We need more rain than just what came and rained for like 2 seconds. We need more rain. We need more rain. More rain. That's what we need. We need more rain. More rain. I mean, look at that. That looks like it wants to rain more. Gotta rain more. It's got to. It's got to. It's got to. Eee.